I was gifted these, but these are honestly some of my favorite deli containers. These ones are so versatile. I honestly love and use these so often. So one of my favorite ways to use these is to take meals to friends, and then I give the food in these containers and they don't need to give them back. So they can take them, they can reuse them. These are totally reusable. You can totally wash them out and use them again, or you can just like throw them away if you don't want to do dishes. It works well. But I don't need these back for my friends, so they can do whatever they want with them. I love the different sizes. We have a big, a medium, and a little. This little one is 8 ounces. This medium one is 16 ounces. And this one is 32 ounces. So we have a variation of size, which is great, but they all have the same lid. So we are not like looking for specific lids. They all fit onto the same, like all the lids are all interchangeable, which is fantastic. Such a good idea. I love using these for friends, like I say, also for leftovers. If you or your spouse go to work and you want to take a container that you maybe don't have to remember to bring back home, these ones are fantastic for that. Quantity wise, they're in the set that I got, there is 12 of these big ones, 12 of the little ones, and then 24 of the medium sized ones. Honestly, I have found this is the size I use the most. So it's really nice that they have 2 dozen of these instead of 1 dozen for everything else. But huge, I love these. Like, I'm a huge fan of them. Cannot say enough good things. Highly recommend if you're looking into these. You won't regret it.